Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let me show if the video is alive. I think that all is right, but I want to verify it. So um, we start the streaming with this machine. It's belong to Proving Grounds playgroups. The name is Wpwn. It's an easy level. I hope that you learn about it, understand how to perform the penetration test. So the first one is entry to nmap directory, execute an nmap recognition with my sh tool, and add a scan with fast TCP scan to the exposed ports at TCP at the target machine. So let me close the browser, close tabs, open it again. So this is the login. Wpwn box have found. Yeah, the first one is review the robots .txt and say secret. Haha, just kidding. Focus on real stuff, my boy. Yeah, so it's a joke. We should perform again this one. So the port 22 is open, and at this point I want to let me move it. This one, yeah. I want to perform a fusion over this machine using the Wfoot tool and directory leaf 23 medium. Yes, you can watch here that detect a directory with name WordPress. So we are going to check it. Voila, another WordPress with its login and all the process that we are going to perform. It's I'm going to split this one and launch WordPress scan over this URL. It's this is not the IP, so WordPress scan over this one and launch it for enumeration. Yeah, it started. It's in an old version of WordPress 5.5, and this is the theme of the WordPress. A readme found, an uploads directory. Here I'm going to modify 68. Yeah, and instead of enumerate option, I'm going to use the password. Yes, and this is the version edited and used with name admin. Config backend social warfare. it's a plugin, so we can review with the search exploit. um, this plugin maybe exists. Yeah, it's under, the version is under 3.5.3, and the version is out of date 3.5.2. So this remote code execution could be performed. So search exploit -m, this one. So let me check it. This is Python, this is dp, invalid URL. So we are going to beam this one, and it's you need a target and payload URL. So it seems that the first time you need to put payload sending payload to the system. Let me check it again for, yeah, this is payload URI. So payload URI is this one. So at this point I'm going to create an exploit directory, a new payload like this, with the payload name payload.php. I'm going to launch a local server HTTP at port 80, and I'm going to launch this script. So the target URI at this point is 68. Yeah, it is one. Don't work for us. So we can try to look at looking at internet about this plugin. So RSC, it's a POC. So the proof of concept is this one, only with a cool petition. Yeah, why not? It's this is the remote IP. So the first one is put this at the init and copy the IP of the remote machine. So it's just copied, and right now the local, this is my attacker machine, so I can do if config this one. So copy this, and the name of the exploit is payload .php, and close the quote. So at this point my payload say send me a netcat with netcat binary, a new beam bus to the port 8080 at my local attacker machine. So I need to start to listen at this port in order to obtain the reverse shell from the target server. So don't work. You're not found. Yes, it seems that there are an error at the mm, 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 not found. Yeah, perfect. This should contain a WordPress context like this. So inside of WordPress context, you can find wadmin. So who am I? ID 3W data. So at this point, we need a spawn with Python minus minus version not exist. Python 3 minus minus version perfect exist. Python 3 minus C. So import PTE PTE, so spawn bin was like this. So right now we have prompt, and we can go back one directory and review it. There is the configuration file wp-config .php command at WordPress is not good writed config.php like this. Is this one, so we can cut the content and review, and it say this is the DB configuration. So inside of data directory I can open a new file with name db config. Yeah, we can copy this one here. So this is perfect. We can go back again to the next directory. So robots, index, and WordPress. Go back again. Yeah, this is the first flag. Local.txt is perfect. This is the first flag. So we can go to home directories. Yeah, Takis. So we can go inside of Takis, review. This is the ground flag. The flag is another file. So we can perform su minus Takis ask for a password. So we can review the db config. Okay, this is all. So we can perform sudo minus l because this sudo minus s this user belongs to sudoers. So we are sudo, go to root directory, and who am I, and ID. Okay, if we review here is the proof.txt file. Perfect. So this is all for this machine. Easy. See you later.